Okay, so just a quick example, you have a one and two tailed test. So in the information above, I've talked about a one tailed test is a directional hypothesis, a two tailed is a non-directional hypothesis. So Andy goes into a little bit more detail about the difference between the one and two tailed and testing at your probability of 0.05, so a 5% chance of being wrong. Okay, so when you do a one tailed test, you'll notice here in the blue area, you're basically putting all your eggs in one basket and you're saying, this is the way the result's going to go, and I hope to find significance. When you're doing a two-tailed test, the orange area is where you're going. Okay, so the downside of when you do a two-tailed is you go further out on the curve. In other words, another way to say that is it's more difficult to find significance because if this middle line here is the mean, and I do, like, for example, a pre-test and a post-test, that mean has to shift all the way into the orange area, either the left or to the right, or left or to the right, in order for us to find significance. Versus if you did a one-tail test and I did a pre and a post-test, that mean only has to shift this far into the blue. So there's benefits, there's pros and cons. As I said, I recommend that people write a two-tailed hypothesis and you just test it. It's a stronger test in essence because if you find a difference in the means, that mean has had to move further out on the curve to find significance.